or you can have tutorials. Here you can see the tutorials for all of them. Getting started, designs, creating videos, presenting, Canva Pro, Canva for education. Or you can also read the blogs for design, marketing, branding, non-profit, teacher and student, etc. So let's say if you want to course for graphic design, go to the graphic design. It will take you to the basics. Here you can see how many students have been enrolled to this. You can log in here, are the different other courses that you might be interested in. There are typography and layout, print advertising, creating logo, etc. If you want to learn, you can just have access to that. Now after learn, let's go to the pricing. Along with the Canva free, which is that we are using right now, you can have Canva Pro, Enterprise, Education, and for non-profit. Here you can see for individuals and small teams who want more advanced tool and more content. We talked about this. You can have variation in content. You can have 100 millions of more different content, different templates, different graphics for your designs. You can have it for enterprise as well, for large business seeking an integrated tool to keep their brand consistent. For education purpose, you can use Canva, a powerful creative tool for your classroom and organization. And for non-profits, Canva is free to all the non profit which are registered. Make sure that if you want to use Canva free for the non-profit, it is registered, so you can have access to its features. For now, let's just go to Pro, since we have talked about Pro a lot in this. Here, Canva Pro makes it easy for teams to achieve their goals and create professional designs together with premium features like brand kit, background remover, and more. We talked about this earlier. Here, everything your team needs you can have in Canva Pro. Here you can see all the access, work faster and more professionally. You can have access to premium features, stay on brand, design better together. If you have a team, it will be more easier. It will be way more easier. Publish from anywhere. It is available on desktop, iOS. Team up and save up on Canva Pro. Free forever. Here you can see this is the price that you will need to pay. How many people do you have in your team? This is for the team. You can see this is per year up to 5 people and 1.99 per person for month. Here you can see what are the options that you will have once you have the access to Canva Pro. You can see power packed with features, unlimited content, branded templates, premium video, teams, magic resize, comment and sharing. There are customer stories if you want to learn, so that you can have more idea about it. Now there are other frequently asked questions like do students get Canva Pro